Hi everyone, I wanted to bring to you tonight my Secret Not Secret Kit Club June unboxing. I did go through it, and it is based on Amy Tangerine Shine On collection, and I also received my May kit, which was based on the Pink Fresh Simple and Sweet along with some Willow Lane. So I think I'm going to mix both of these kits together for September and scrap with both of these in September. So I'm kind of excited about that. This is a really awesome kit and I want to share it with you. So let's go through and see what I got. So first off, this gold trim, I love this stuff. I received, I think back in November maybe, I received some of it, and at first I was like, it looks kind of old to me, but I put it on a page. It really makes the page pop. I love this. It makes the page beautiful. So if you get this, I highly recommend using your leaf trim. Then I received this 8x8 Savannah Dreams, pretty little studio, once in a lifetime. Has a little bit of mixed media on it. Might use my Vicky Bouton watercolors that I got in my kit, my May kit, and add some extra to it. Who knows? That's black and white stripe. My mixed media, I got metallic textured paste, Heidi Swap. This is gold. I have the teal, and I used it at a crop 2 weeks ago, and this stuff is just awesome. It's very creamy, and it goes through the stencils pretty good. So, yeah, I'm going to be using that a lot, especially in this kit. I noticed that some of the stuff had craft, like the washi tape. See how it's gold and craft? So I think that will go well together. So there's some washi. These are awesome as well. These are Pretty Little Studio Savannah Dreams, and they're phrase stickers, but they're just cute. I haven't seen them, like Coffee, Coffee, Coffee and Friends. Today was ridiculously fabulous. I mean, feel the vibe, celebrate the everyday things, and you get 2 of them in there. So I was really happy with those, and I will probably use those up pretty fast. Then these. Happiness, joy. I mean, how could these not make you happy? Just all the colors, the wonky little hearts. Can't wait to use those. Those will go fast too. Then this is 36 die cut shapes, Amy Tan, and they are colored or they're craft and gold. So here's the, not sure about the cactus, but I do like the Obsessed. Shine camera, like everything but that little cactus, but I'll find something for them, I'm sure. These are Savannah Dreams, and these are 16 note cards, noted stencil tags, I'm sorry, and they have these cool, some of them have die cuts with them, but so you can back them. So you got noted, life is great, and then feeling it. And then they have ones that just have like floral on it. This one, I think the die cut. Love, and then you can back it with a different color of paper. Love in the Rain. So I thought those were kind of cool. Wow. So there's, how many of those are there? There's 16 of those. And then these cute little bows. Now these are leather, and they're metallic. Those are awesome, aren't they? Those. And then what I was saying in my May unboxing was the Simple and Sweet. I liked that it wasn't all black, that it was like light gray and then this dark charcoal color. And I got the puffy letters for Pink Fresh on that. So I am excited that I'll be able to use this with that kit as well. And then I also got the 4 decorative fringes, Maggie Holmes, Willow Lane, and it's like pressed crepe paper. It's thicker. It's kind of cool. It has a cool feeling to it. Don't know what I'm going to do with these, but I wanted them, and I got them, and I am happy about those. This I was very excited about. I I was very, very, very happy. 419 pieces. It's sticker sheet, and it's the Shine On collection, Amy Tan. But it is just awesome. I mean, I'm not sure if I'll use all the bunnies, even though they're cute. But there's a lot of bunnies. This is like a white on white, I think. I don't think they're clear. Let's see. Oh, they are clear. So, oh, that's going to look good on a dark background. So these are clear stickers. Awesome. You belong somewhere, you feel free. And then some hearts. You have craft hearts as well. Some words. And then these are the same thing, but in white. Oh, that's awesome. Oh, wow, look at there. Winter, rain, fall, spring, sunshine, summer, snow. She's covered it all. All the months, everything. Oh, that'd be cool to make tags out of too. That's the cover of it. It's cool. Picnic thickers. Never have enough thickers. These have like a white outline on them, so they're gold and then a shadow of white, which I like. Okay. And then we can go through the paper. It's over here. And I love this camera paper. It has little words, different, explore, remember, happy, smile, all throughout. And this is the Shine On Remember paper. And I like this side as well. And I love the camera strip. She has some really cool, I shouldn't say really cool, but simple branding strips that are easy to use. So they get used up pretty quick. Then this one is happiness, which I love the way the rays are going out on the page. I will probably use this side. And then this is, this reminds me of someone else that had pie charts. But I'll probably use this side with the rays. This is a cut apart, the Good Life. And I like that these are smaller. It's easier to use on a page instead of a big honking piece of cut apart. And then this is yellow, pink, and white polka dots, different size, varying. And then Sunday through Saturday branding strip. Once again, simple and easy to use. I like this branding strip. I like this paper. But I will probably use the grid side. And I'll tell you why once I get to the other piece of paper. But if I didn't see this other piece of paper, I probably would have used this side. But I'll put this over here. Put that underneath there so when we get to it. More cut aparts. More of this. And these are good. You can use these for journaling. And then I can cut these smaller and use those. And I do like this side as well. It's very graphic. And this is Let It Go, which reminds me of autumn leaves. And then this is a gray with some trees. White trees on it, which I like. And this one is colorful trees. These remind me of lollipops for some reason. Not lollipops, popsicles. And then this is a blue grayish wonky stripe with black. I like that peach in there. And then this is Shine On, Surrounded by Love, and it's orange and pink hearts on black background. And I really like this side. It's like a pink flower. And this is the other paper. So if I did not see this paper is awesome. I see a lot of people using it, and I'm so happy that I got it. This is a Harmony, but once you see this paper looks so flat compared to this. So I will definitely be using the grid, and I will definitely be using this side. And then on the other side is black and white. So that is my June kit. And my July was a traveler's notebook, which I'm not going to video because I think a lot of people got those and they already did them. They're all the same. But very excited for September to come and combine the two kits and see what I can make. Right now I'm still working on my my August travel inspired 2 kilo kit with style, working through that. I think I have, another week to get that done. May not accomplish the goal, but will do my best. So I will have a flip through once I'm finished with that of my travel inspired kit. Thank you, and I hope you enjoyed my video, and I will be talking to you. Bye.